Welcome to Barbecues Galore. If you're looking for a barbecue, this is the place to be. When you come into our store, you'll be greeted by one of our salespeople. We'll take you on a tour of the store. We'll ask you a few questions, like what do you like to cook? How many people are you cooking for? How often do you cook? With those questions, we'll narrow down a barbecue that's going to suit your needs. This is a Prestige Pro 500. Once you've chosen that grill, we'll take you over to our wonderful cashiers, and our cashier will go through some information with you. We'll talk about the Barbecue Butler Service. We'll talk about assembly, delivery, on-site hookup if you need it, and we'll also talk about the recycling that we do. We pick up your old barbecue, bring it back to our barbecue graveyard, and give it a decent burial.
Once we bring down the barbecue from the shelves, we make sure to put some blankets down so there's no damage on the product while assembling. When you unbox, you will find over 100 pieces to be assembled. Assembling this barbecue can take 2 hours or more. We always do a safety leak test and test fire before we deliver to your home. The last part of the assembly process is to go through the checklist to make sure that we have done everything correct. And the next part is the delivery.
Now that we've arrived at your house, we're doing our hookup, our test fire, and our second leak test of your barbecue. We will run through all the features of your new purchase. We could stay an extra 15-20 minutes to answer any more of your questions, or feel free to get a hold of one of our locations or visit our website at barbecuesgalore.ca for any more information on our Barbecue Butler service.